edition of Jaipuriya Happenings, we have celebrated Saraswati Puja in our school campus. On this auspicious occasion, we have gathered to seek the blessings of Ma Saraswati, the eternal sources of knowledge, wisdom, and creativity. Today, our campus is filled with devotion, positivity, and fragrance of Indian culture.
Yes, indeed, the celebration began on a divine note with the puja of Ma Saraswati performed in the esteemed presence of our respected directors, Mr. and Mrs. Pankaj Agarwal and Mr. and Mrs. Rani Jain along with their families. Our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Anita Saxena along with our students and parents. The peaceful chanting of mantras created a serene and spiritual atmosphere, making it a truly memorable moment for all of us.
Adding to the sanctity of this occasion, our students performed Matra Pitra Pujan, a beautiful and heartfelt gestures expressing gratitude and respect towards their parents for their endless love and sacrifice. Through this ritual, our students showcased the importance of preserving Indian values, traditions, and cultural roots, reminding us that respect for parents is the foundation of a strong society.
Divine blessings and joyful moments. We wish everyone a very happy and occasion Basant Panchami.
May Ma Saraswati always guide us on the path of knowledge and wisdom.
St. Amar Jaipuriya School Bahraj came alive with enthusiasm and youthful energy as the school organized a grand youth festival celebrating talent, culture, and the power of young minds.
The program was held in the gracious presence of Principal Mrs. Anita Saxena, teachers, and students. The festival beautifully echoed the timeless word of Swami Vivekananda: "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved," inspiring students to dream big and move ahead with confidence.
The campus of St. Amar Jaipuriya School Bahraj is filled with pride and patriotism as we gather to celebrate the Republic Day of India, a day that marks the adoption of our Constitution and the spirit of democracy. This grand celebration was honored by the gracious presence of our director sirs, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal and Mr. Ranish Jain, along with our respected principal ma'am. We are truly privileged to celebrate this historic occasion under your inspiring leadership. On this proud occasion, our respected principal ma'am, Ms. Anita Saxena, addressed the gathering and spoke about the importance of Republic Day, inspiring students to understand their responsibilities as citizens and to uphold the values of our Constitution in their daily lives. The celebration concluded with renewed patriotism and a strong commitment to serve the nation with honesty and dedication.
Hello everyone, now it's time for reward and recognition.
My name is Aradha Dolkar from class 7th B.
And my name is Shivansh Garg from class 7th B.
St. Amar Jaipuriya School Bahraj are organizing Uttam Sarthi Award ceremony on 17 January 2026. It is a very special occasion delighted to honoring and hardworking drivers and conductors who play a vital role in ensuring our complete safety every day.
The program began on an auspicious note with lamp candy inaugurated by our respected directors, Mr. Ranish Jain sir and Mr. Pankaj Agarwal sir, symbolizing knowledge, safety and responsibility. He further added that to this objective, school regularly organizes various learnings and motivational activities, not only for drivers but also for the supporting staff. He stated that every driver is an Uttam Sarthi for the institution. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal sir emphasizes the importance of overall behavior, discipline and positive attitude, stating that professionalism and conduct are as important as technical skills.
This year, Uttam Sarthi Award winner are Mr. Subir from van category and Mr. Viru from bus category. The prestigious Bahu Ayami Award was conferred up by Mr. Fazal for his great contribution.
Additionally, Mr. Sumit Shukla, Mrs. Jagrani Devi and Mr. Rahul were also honored for their dedicated support and commendable services in strengthening the school transport system.
The program was perfect behind the learning and fun activities The communication-based activity all attended by our respected principal ma'am, Miss Anita Saxena.
We are the best.